Can I day trade options on Robinhood? Can I day trade options on Robinhood? The answer is yes, you can day trade options on Robinhood. Robinhood lets you day trade options, but remember, it's very risky. Options are contracts, not stocks, and Robinhood allows options trading. You can buy and sell options in one day, which is day trading. This counts as day trading. You need approval to trade options. Just remember, most platforms require you to apply for the ability to be able to day trade options or to trade options, and options can expire very quickly. They can lose value fast. That's why they are very risky. But Robinhood has simple tools for options trading. You must follow the $25,000 in your account rule for frequent trades. Again, remember, options are often riskier than stocks, especially for beginners. But can I day trade options on Robinhood? Yes, Robinhood lets you day trade options, but it's very risky.